Assalamu alaikum guys. Today once again I am on the construction site and I will show you practically steel reinforcement details for RCC plinth beam on this construction site. Guys, you can see this is construction site. So let's start. So the steel reinforcement for plinth beam is provided on the plinth level, and the width of the plinth level is 13.5 inches. Guys, you can see on the plinth level, this is plinth beam steel reinforcement. As you can see guys, they provided two steel rods at the bottom, which dia is 16 millimeters, and three bars at the top, which dia is also 16 millimeters. But guys, try to use, this is wrong, try to use 3 or 4 steel rods at the bottom and 2 at the top. That's why, because concrete is weak in tension but it's strong in compression. So therefore they are the opposite of the steel structure design. As I told you that lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support, but they provide it. Okay, so forget about this. So I will discuss its steel reinforcement details. Here guys, the stirrup dia is about 8 millimeter. You can see guys, stirrup dia is 8 millimeter, but its hooks, the hook is wrong, which is bended with 90 degree, but it should be bent with 135 degree. But the first stirrup should be placed with the spacing of 2 inches. But guys, you can see here they provided with 9 inches. Also guys, you can see the hooks. The hook's length should not be less than 3 inches, but it should be bent with 135 degree, not in 90 degree. They provided at 90 degrees. So you can see guys, the spacing is also wrong, and you can say this is a big mistake that they provided 3 steel bars at the top and 2 at the bottom. So it should be opposite, 3 should be at the bottom and 2 should be at the top. And also guys, they didn't provide the development length. Guys, you can see clearly. Also they look here, you can see everything clearly. Look here, the length is less, the lapping length is very less, so it should be 45D, where D is die of steel rod. But unfortunately they did mistake. Also guys, you can see at this point they should provide the development length. Also guys, you can see the spacing is about 10 inches. So for these kind of mega projects, you should provide the stirrup spacing not more than 6 inches. Try to use 4 inches, but what we can say, look here guys. So at this point also you should provide the extra bars to resist shear stresses, because shear stresses are maximum. But guys, you can see they didn't provide also development length at the end for the beam. That's why, because development length guys, it's very important. It makes good bond between steel and concrete. Okay guys, so this is a short video in which I have discussed steel reinforcement details practically on construction site. Thank you.